everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Hunting Sniper application on your mobile device. So let's get started right away. Open up your App Store or your Play Store. Also make sure that the device you are working is connected to a proper internet. Once it is, go to the search box and type in Hunting Sniper. Once you find the application, tap on it to open it up. If you see an open button on this page, it means that you already have the latest version of Hunting Sniper downloaded for your mobile device. If you see an update button instead of open, simply go ahead and tap on the update button to begin downloading the latest version of Hunting Sniper application for your mobile device. It is crucial to keep updating your application in order to fix issues, bugs, and improve performance for the application. So that is how you can easily update Hunting Sniper app on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.